You know, we here at ABC 10 News are committed to telling your positive stories. We're Open San Diego features local restaurants and businesses fighting now more than ever to make it in San Diego. 10 News reporter Vanessa Paz shows us how many San Diegans, from business owners to college graduates, are using a popular fundraising site to feed those working tirelessly at local hospitals.
At a time where we needed them most, nurses, doctors, EMTs, and surgeons, they've always been there for us. And right now, many of us are trying to be there for them just as much.
An email came through from a nurse at a COVID unit at it was Sharp Grossmont Hospital.
Damien Devine with Tor Pasta Restaurant said the nurse described how food remained their fuel on the front lines, and she wanted to treat her team with meals.
And I said, oh, for sure, we'll definitely bring you food. And she's like, I have my credit card. I'll just charge it to my card and everyone can pay me back.
But Devine said he couldn't get himself to charge her card.
That inspired me to figure this out. And so I created a GoFundMe page to say, help us bring food to nurses and doctors that are, struggling on the front lines.
Raising more than $2,500 to date, they've now provided meals to Sharp, Kaiser, and Rady's Children's Hospitals.
And it helps us bring them food for free, and then it helps me keep some of my staff going.
Since then, comments on social media and messages have poured in, including this one from the nurse who wanted to buy that meal one day for her team. In summary, she wrote, "You've given me faith in humanity again, which is something we nurses have to dig down deep to find these days. I'm going to share this so far and wide."
After doing it, I found that there are several other people doing things like this, which is great.
Others, including USD MBA graduate Monty Fernandez.
Always, try to find a way to reach out and give back to our community. Small things, for example, taking pies to our firemen during 9/11, or even the campaign, just trying to find a little way that we can all pull together and give back.
She also turned to GoFundMe after a late night brainstorming with former classmates and colleagues, thinking ways they can help while utilizing their business skills. Thanks to their efforts, 1,200 hospital workers were fed this past weekend with Woodstock pizzas. Their page had an original goal of 200, exceeded over $1,500.
I was really overwhelmed and surprised, and even for me, it was just incredible to see that, people really rallying together.
Whichever way you view this pandemic, we can all agree that the unity taking place between strangers is inspiring and reminds us that we are all in this together. Vanessa Paz for 10 News.
You can find those GoFundMe pages on our website, 10news.com. Just click on the COVID-19 section, then head to the We're Open San Diego tab. Also, if you are a business here or you know one supporting San Diego, we would love to tell your story. Just email us at tips@10news.com.